Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu. Now scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we need to select the sound and vibration option. And here we have ringtone option, tap on it. Now we need to select for which SIM card we want to change the ringtone for. We have SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. I'm gonna select the SIM card 1, for example. And here we have a list of ringtones we can select. We can listen to ringtones, basically have a preview of them by tapping on one to select it. And after you select the ringtone, you will have the preview of it. Basically, it will play in loop. Now, find the ringtone you like to use. For example, this one. And then tap back button to go back. And as you can see, the ringtone is changed. We can also add our custom ringtones. To do it, you need to tap on add button right here in the top right corner. And if you have any songs or other sounds on your phone, you should see them right here. You can select them then and use them as ringtones. Unfortunately, I don't have any sound files on my phone, so I won't be able to show it to you how it works. Okay, and that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.